yard. Don't know. Oh. Oh, what did I eat that you?
Yes, we're back again. Today we're gonna be doing a burger. Today we're gonna be doing. It's got quinoa, chickpeas in it, and a bit of other little things. You know, I push in there as well, so you can see what I'll do with that. Check the ingredients out. All right, so we have quinoa. We have some cooked chickpeas in here. Garbanzo bean flour, sea salt, garam masala. Got some turmeric, peppers, coriander, oregano. We got some grapeseed oil. Got some onion powder, cayenne, onion, flaxseed. Got some mushrooms here. And we have parsley, basil, a bit of thyme. So sauteing some onions. Quinoa is there bubbling away. Add a mushroom. Just a little quick one. Won't take no long. It's in there. Peppers. Okay, it's a little mixture I have here. Because I'm not using eggs, I use flaxseed just to hold everything together. So I got 1 spoon of flaxseed and 2 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of garbanzo bean flour, chickpeas flour. Yeah, just add some sea moss. Have that going in there. Now sea moss gotta go in everything. That will do. Okay, food processor. So we have some cooked chickpeas in there. Just a little bit, probably a cup. And then I'm gonna add all my seasoning and add all of this, all the seasoning. Remember, I don't measure the taste; it just go by taste. So add a pinch of everything. If you feel like you need more of everything, just put according to how you taste it. Okay, now that's all blended up. So now we're ready to roll out. You can fry it, you can bake it. It's up to you. We're gonna do a fry today. So this is what it looks like afterwards. So it's nice and sticky. You don't want it to be too loose because it's gonna start falling apart very quick. So make it nice and sticky. And then we're good to go with that now. Alright, got my little grill here. My little mini grill, you know. So I got some little grapeseed oil on there. Spread it around. It's getting hot. Okay, here we go. Got them here bubbling away. They're getting nice and brown. Just keep on flipping them till you get to a nice color that how you want it. Got them going nicely there. Good to go. Okay, so here we have some finished ones. See, that's how they come out. See, it doesn't break up. So it's nice. We're good to go. some more there going. Okay, so we have our burgers. Now we have a special little sauce to go with it. I'll give you the recipe in another video. So that's a special sauce just for this burger. Alright. Literally just whip up some flatbread. You have no burger buns, you just have to make do, man. This is simple. Bit of lettuce and our sauce on there. Yeah, flatbread. Good to go. You can add more stuff if you want, but that's all we need, mate. That's all we have. Tuck into that.